Hi there, this video we're going to turn this mono track. You can see it here. It is just hanging around on the left hand side. We need it to be on the right as well. It's pretty easy. Go to your effects, audio effects, special, fill right with left or left with right depending on your track. That's right, I gave you the answer right at the beginning. It's a short video. There's a few other things to think about, but yeah, let's jump in. All right, let's open up a sequence we worked on earlier. It was called dialogue. Okay, we started with this. You might have already noticed that there was an original one only has a mono track. I've called it mono. Okay, it's all jammed on the right hand side, left hand side. You can see down here there's an L and a right. Okay, so to get them onto both channels, let's clear our in and out. Happens all the time. Okay, and another thing to kind of have a look at is just make sure this is bigger. Okay, so you can see your decibel meter here. All right, so today
you can
I'll
see
be showing
there.
you my Okay, it's all bouncing on one channel. It's just an effect. Go to effects, audio, no, audio effects. It's left and right. I can never remember where it is. Just type in right. Okay, and fill left with right or fill right with left. I can never, always do it the wrong way around. So just drag one until it sounds right.
I'll be showing you
Perfect. My instant gut feeling is I want to fill the left with the right, but it's clearly not right. Nothing. Okay, so I want this one. Can you have two on at a time? You can. They cancel each other out. Let's delete that one.
showing you my way of choosing colors.
Perfect, that's it. A little bit of extra to play around with is this is quite echoey as well. My office is reasonably echoey. I've made sure I've got triple glazed windows. Those guys there, they're closed at the moment because it's dark. But I put carpet in to try and do it, and I've got soundboards, and I forget to move them around. Okay, they're just big panels I made that have got soft stuff in them to kind of absorb sound. You can tell, listen.
All right, so today I'll be showing.
You can hear all the funny stuff going on. So I want you to practice with that as well. You don't have to submit that. It's not a class exercise, but it's a good thing. There's a bit of echo in there. There's a bit of humming going on, a bit of noise. So have a play around with. Once you've done your fill with right to left, have a play around with this one.
All right, so today I'll be showing you.
Just try and make it as nice as you can. That's it. Easy one. Effects. Audio effects, special, fill right with left. All right, next video.